Hello students, how are you? Revise all those definitions which we had seen in last lecture related to adjoint method of finding inverse of any matrix. You have done? Good. Now we will see the examples to find matrix of cofactors, then adjoint of matrix, and finally inverse by adjoint method. Okay? But first we will see examples of 2 by 2 matrices. Okay, and then we will see the examples of 3 by 3 matrices. Okay, now come to our exercise 2.2. In first example, question is to find the cofactors of all the elements of given matrices. So first matrix is -1 2 -3 4. We will again denote this by a capital letter A. Okay, so for our convenience we will write the places of all the elements. In first example we will do like this, later on we will not do. Okay, so here what is A11? A11 is minus. So minor we will denote as M11. Now how to find? By definition we have to delete this row and this column. What is remain? Only 4. So minor of A11 means minor of this -1 is 4. Okay, so second element A12. What is that? 2. Minor we will denote A12. Now this is element, so hide this row and this column in which that 2 lies. So this row and this column if we hide, then we get -3. Okay, then A21. What is A21? -3. So minor we will denote by M21. Now -3, so hide this column and this row, we get 2. And lastly A22. A22, what is that? 4. So minor we will denote as M22. So again hide this row and this column, that is -1. So these are the 4 minors of these 4 elements. Now come to cofactors of all the elements. These are the minors of all these elements, and now the cofactors. So cofactor of Aij we will denote by capital Aij. Means cofactor of A11 we will denote capital A11 like this. Cofactor of A23 we will denote as A23, capital A. Okay, so what is the cofactor of A11 then? We will denote by capital A11. Okay, so what is the definition? -1 to the power I plus j into mij. So here -1, I is 1, j is 1, minor of 1, that is -1 to the power 2 into M11 is 4. That is -1 to the power 2 means 1, simply plus 4. Okay, so A12 is -1 to the power 1 plus 2 M12. -1 power 3 means -1 into this -3, that is plus 3. Okay, so A21 -1 power 2 plus 1 M21. So -1 to the power 3 is again -1. M21 is 2, that is -2. Now last A22 -1 power 2 plus 2 M22, that is -1 power 4 is plus 1. So 1 into this -1, that is -1. Okay, so these are your cofactors of all the elements of given. Now come to second example. Find the matrix of cofactors. Means here we have to find the matrix of cofactors, not only cofactors. So what is first, second example? First matrix. What is the matrix? 1 3 4 -1. We will again denote this as E. Okay, so here what is A11? 1. So what is A11? Now here we will not find separately minor and then cofactor. Directly we will find cofactor. Cofactor is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into minor. Hide this row and this column, that is minus 1. So minus 1 to the power 2 into minus 1 means plus 1 into minus 1, that is minus 1. So second, what is 1, 2, 3? So A12 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 into, hide this row and this column, so 4. Minus 1 to the power odd number, that is minus 1. Minus 1 into 4, that is minus 4. Okay. So next, A21. A21 is 4. So what is its cofactor? A21 is minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 into this row and this column we will hide, that is 3. Minus 1 power odd power, so minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Last, A22. What is A22? Minus 1. So what is of it? Cofactor. Hide this row and this column and multiply with minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2 into 1. That is even power. So minus 1 power even is plus 1. That is 1 simply. So what is our matrix of cofactor now? Matrix of cofactor. Matrix of cofactors C. Now we have seen A11, A12 as per the place. Okay. A21 and A22. So this is matrix. So put the values. What is A11? Minus 1. A12 minus 4. A21 minus 3. And this is okay. So this is your matrix of cofactor. Okay. Now come to third example of 2.2. That is find the adjoint of a matrix. So first matrix is of order 2 by 2. That is given as 2 minus 3, 3, 5. So again we will denote this as capital A. So instead of finding here minor, again we will find directly cofactors. So A11 is 2 here. So what is capital A11? Means cofactor of these 2 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into this row and this column we will hide, remains 5. So minus 1 power even power, so plus 1, simply plus 1 into 5 is 5. So what is A12? Minus 3. So corresponding cofactor is capital A12, that is minus 1 power 1 plus 2, that is 3 into this row and this column we will hide, 3. Minus 1 power odd, so minus into this 3. Okay, minus 1 into 3 is minus 3. Next element, what is that? A21 is 3. So corresponding cofactor is capital A21, that is minus 1 raised to power 2 plus 3. Sorry, 2 plus 1 is 3 into this row and this column we will hide, that is minus 3. So minus power odd, so minus 1 into minus 3, that is plus 3. Now last element, A22. What is that? 5. Corresponding cofactor is A22. Minus 1 power 4 into this row and this column we will hide, remains 2. That is minus 1 even power, so plus 1. Plus 1 into 2 is 2. Let's write the matrix of cofactor. So what is that? A11, A12, A21, A22. So here it is. A11 is 5, then minus 3, A21 is 3 and A22 is 2. So this is the matrix of cofactors. Now we want to find the adjoint of this. We have seen what is adjoint. Adjoint is the adjoint of A is the transpose of this cofactor matrix. Means whatever the cofactor matrix, the transpose of that. Okay. So 5 minus 3, 0. So what is the transpose? Row becomes column and column becomes. So this is the adjoint of given matrix. Okay students. Now finally we come to the examples to find the inverse by adjoint method. In exercise 2.2, fifth example is there, okay, of this type, that is to find the inverse by adjoint method. We will take first matrix of it. Fifth example, first matrix is minus 1 5 minus 3 2. Okay, let us start to find the inverse. First we will denote this as A. Okay, then we know that if given matrix is non-singular, then and then only A inverse exists. So first we have to check whether this is non-singular or singular. So for that we have to find the determinant of this matrix. So what is the determinant? Put all the elements in two parallel lines and solve. Minus 2 minus minus plus 15, that is 13, which is non-zero. Therefore A is a non-singular matrix and hence A inverse exists. Before doing this we can't go ahead, okay, if we want to find the inverse of any matrix. Now here we have to apply adjoint method. So we have to find the minors and cofactors. We know how to find minors and then how to find cofactors. So directly we will find cofactors of each element. Here, what is A11? A11 is minus 1. So corresponding cofactor is capital A11. Capital A11 means cofactor we find as minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 into minor of this element. Means hide this row and this column. What is remain? 2. So 2 is the minor of minus 1. Minus 1 to the power even means plus 1 into 2, that is 2. Now second element A12. What is A12? 5. Corresponding cofactor is A11. Sorry, A12. Minus 1 to the power 1 plus 2 and hide first row and second column, remains minus 3. Now minus 1 to the power odd number 3, so minus 1 into minus 3, that is minus minus plus 3. Now next element A21. What is A21? Minus 3. Corresponding cofactor is A21 equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 1 3 into minor of minus 3. So hide this row and this column, remains 5. Minus 1 to the power odd means minus 1. Minus 1 into 5 is minus 1. Now last element A22, that is 2. Corresponding cofactor is A22 equals to minus 1 to the power 2 plus 2, that is 4, into minor of these 2. Hide this row and this column, means minus 1. Now minus 1 to the power even power is plus 1 and this minus, that is minus 1. Okay, so these are the cofactors. So now matrix of cofactors we will write. Matrix of cofactors, that is, we know that A11, A12, A21, A22. Put all the values. What is A11? 2. What is A12? 3. What is A21? Minus 5. And what is A22? Minus 1. Now according to the definition of adjoint of any matrix, is adjoint of A is transpose of cofactor matrix. So write down transpose of this. That is nothing but 2, 3 minus 5 minus 1. And finally, inverse of A. By the definition of inverse of A, 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint of A. So what is that? 1 upon determinant of A we have already found, that is 30. And adjoint is 2 minus 5, 3 minus 1. So this is your A inverse. This is your A inverse of this matrix. Okay. Now second matrix of example 5 is also of 2 by 2 order. So what is the matrix? 2 minus 2, 4, 3. Again we will apply same procedure. We will denote this by A. Let A be the matrix 2 minus 2, 4, 3. Then we will find the determinant. Now you can find the determinant direct also. 6 minus minus plus 8. That is 14. Okay. So which is non-zero. Therefore we can say A is a non-singular matrix. Hence A inverse exists. This is compulsory work for any example to find inverse of matrix. Okay. Now again, what is A11 here? A11 is 2. So what is capital A11 means cofactor of 2 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1, 2 into hide this row and this column remains 3. Minus 1 to the power even power means plus 1 into 3 is 3. Second, A12 is minus 2. Corresponding cofactor is capital A12. So minus 1 to the power 3 into hide this row and this column 4. Minus 1 to the power 3 means odd power, that is minus and 4. A21 is 4. So corresponding cofactor is A21 minus 1 to the power again 2 plus 1 3. Hide this row and this column, that is minus 2. Minus 1 into minus 2 is plus 2. Now A22 is 3. Corresponding cofactor is A22 minus 1 to the power 4. What is the minor of these 3? Hide this and this, that is 2. Plus 1 into 2 is 2. Now write down the matrix of cofactors. Matrix of cofactors. So it is not necessary every time to write matrix of cofactors in the form of A11, A12, A21, A22. We can directly put the numbers also. So what is first? 3, then minus 4, then 2 and then 2. So this is your matrix of cofactors. So what is adjoint of A? Is nothing but the transpose of matrix of cofactors. So what is transpose? Row becomes column and this row second column. Okay, so this is your adjoint. So by definition, what is A inverse? A inverse is 1 upon determinant of A into adjoint A. Okay, so put the values. What is determinant we have found? 14. So 14 here it is. Adjoint of A is this matrix. 3, 2, minus 4, 2. So this is your inverse of second matrix of example 5 of exercise 2.2. Okay. Now here we have finished all the examples of exercise 2.2 of matrix of order 2 by 2. Okay. So in next lecture we will see how to find the cofactors, adjoint of matrix and inverse of matrix 3 by 3. Okay. Till then, goodbye. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe my channel. That is my class, my lecture. Okay. And press that bell icon so you can get the notifications of my forthcoming videos. Okay.